Hey, what's up guys? It's Adam from the Lazy Guy DIY. In today's Home Depot Pro-Spective Tool review, we're going to be talking DeWALT circular saws, specifically the DeWALT DCS573 and the DeWALT DCS575. When you look at these things on the surface, they're nearly identical in size and features, but hey, there is a big difference here, and it's not just the fancy colors on this one. Let's find out what makes these so different. So it might look like the difference here between the DCS573 and the DCS575 are just skin deep here, where you have the black anodized here on the shoe and on the guard, but actually that's not where the difference is. The DCS575 is a FlexVolt tool, and it only accepts FlexVolt batteries. It also has more power. As you see here, it only has the slots for the FlexVolt batteries, while the DCS573 will accept 20-volt max batteries and FlexVolt batteries. So what's the difference, you might ask here? So let's take a look here at the DCS575 and see what this and sound what it looks like run through. To be honest, that's pretty quick for the DCS575, so we're going to swap out the DCS573 with a 20-volt max battery. In my opinion, that looks a little sluggish, sounds a little sluggish too, so we're going to try this with the FlexVolt battery in the DCS573. So that's a significant difference there, just swapping out the battery. So if you want to see it again here, let's fire this up and we'll run it with the FlexVolt and the 20-volt max XR batteries. And then one more time here using the 20-volt max battery in the same saw. It is not even close. Let's give it a look and give it a listen. The big difference here comes down to power. The FlexVolt series will only accept the FlexVolt batteries, while the FlexVolt Advantage will accept the 20-volt max XR batteries and other 20-volt batteries as well. So it's a big difference when you're on a job site and you need a battery and you do not have a FlexVolt ready to go. So when it comes to power, you saw the difference side by side. It's to your advantage to use a more powerful saw, but if you're not ripping a bunch of stuff like double sheeted plywood or 2x material, then you can just stick with your regular 20-volt XR, and it's good to have the DCS573 to be able to jump back and forth. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. Make sure you check out the rest of the videos on my channel, maybe down here, and make sure you subscribe up here to Lazy Guy DIY. All right guys, hope you enjoyed it. We will catch you on the next video. Thanks.